Welcome to your ultimate guide for stocking a protein-packed pantry. If you've ever wondered how to keep your meals nutritious, filling, and delicious without constantly running to the store, you're in the right place. Today, we're exposing the secret protein powerhouses hiding right in your pantry. Some of these might surprise you, and a few are probably already sitting on your shelves, just waiting to be transformed into something amazing. Whether you're a busy parent, a student on a budget, or just someone who wants to eat healthier, these 8 must-have high-protein foods are about to become your new best friends. Let's dive in and discover how to make your pantry work harder for you, starting with a classic favorite. First up, canned tuna. This humble staple is so much more than just a quick fix for boring sandwiches. Did you know that one little can packs over 20 grams of high-quality protein? That's a huge boost for your muscles, your energy, and your overall health. Canned tuna is incredibly versatile. Toss it into a crisp green salad for a light lunch, mix it into a creamy pasta for a comforting dinner, or, let's be honest, just eat it straight out of the can when you're in a rush. It's also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for your heart and brain. Plus, it's shelf-stable, budget-friendly, and lasts for months, making it a true pantry MVP. If you're looking for a quick, no-fuss way to add protein to your meals, canned tuna is a must-have. Next up, let's talk about chickpeas. These little legumes are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with both protein and fiber. Chickpeas are incredibly affordable and can be bought canned or dried, making them a staple for anyone looking to eat well on a budget. They're also one of the most versatile ingredients you can keep in your pantry. Roast them with a sprinkle of spices for a crunchy, satisfying snack that rivals any bag of chips. Or, toss them into soups and stews for an instant protein boost that will keep you full for hours. Chickpeas are also the main ingredient in hummus, which makes a delicious dip or spread for sandwiches and wraps. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding them to salads, curries, or even baking them into savory snacks. With chickpeas on hand, you'll never run out of ways to sneak extra protein into your day. Now let's shine a spotlight on a lesser-known but totally game-changing pantry hero, Greek yogurt powder. If you love the creamy tang of Greek yogurt but hate running out or dealing with expiration dates, this is your answer. Greek yogurt powder is shelf-stable, high in protein, and incredibly easy to use. Just a scoop can transform your morning smoothie into a protein powerhouse, or you can stir it into overnight oats for a breakfast that keeps you full until lunch. It's also perfect for sneaking into pancake or waffle batter, giving your favorite breakfast treats a nutritious upgrade. And because it's a powder, it takes up hardly any space in your pantry and lasts for ages. Whether you're baking, blending, or just looking for a quick protein boost, Greek yogurt powder is a secret weapon you'll want to keep on hand. Let's move on to a classic favorite, nut butters. Whether you prefer peanut, almond, cashew, or even sunflower seed butter, these spreads are packed with protein, healthy fats, and a rich, satisfying flavor. Nut butters are incredibly shelf-stable and can last for months, making them perfect for stocking up. Spread them on whole grain toast for a quick breakfast, swirl them into your morning smoothie for extra creaminess, or just grab a spoonful straight from the jar when you need a quick pick-me-up. Hey, no judgment here. Nut butters are also great for baking, adding to sauces, or drizzling over fruit for a balanced snack. And because they're so nutrient-dense, just a small amount goes a long way in keeping you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Now let's talk about lentils. These tiny legumes are a true superfood loaded with protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and folate. Lentils are incredibly affordable, easy to cook, and come in a variety of colors and types: red, green, brown, and even black. They cook quickly compared to other dried beans, making them perfect for busy weeknights. Add them to soups and stews for a hearty, protein-rich meal. Toss them into salads for extra texture and nutrition, or mash them up to make homemade veggie burgers that are both delicious and filling. Lentils are also a fantastic meat substitute in recipes like tacos, shepherd's pie, or pasta sauce. With their mild flavor and impressive nutrition profile, lentils are a pantry staple you'll reach for again and again. Quinoa is next on our list, and for good reason. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's fluffy, slightly nutty, and cooks up in just 15 minutes, making it a quick and easy addition to any meal. Use it as a base for salads, stir it into soups, or make a hearty breakfast bowl with fruit and nuts. Quinoa is also gluten-free, making it a great option for anyone with dietary restrictions. And don't forget about jerky. Whether you prefer beef, turkey, or even plant-based varieties, jerky is the ultimate shelf-stable protein snack. It's portable, satisfying, and perfect for road trips, hiking, or just keeping in your desk drawer for those mid-afternoon cravings. Jerky comes in a variety of flavors and styles, so there's something for everyone. Jerky is also a great way to satisfy your hunger when you're on the go. It doesn't require refrigeration, lasts for months, and is packed with protein to keep you energized between meals. Whether you're traveling, working late, or just need a quick bite, jerky is a convenient and tasty option. Look for varieties with minimal added sugar and sodium for the healthiest choice. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making your own jerky at home with your favorite seasonings. Rounding out our list are protein pasta and protein powder. Protein pasta is a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite comfort food while sneaking in extra nutrition. Made from ingredients like lentils, chickpeas, or even edamame, these pastas are higher in protein than traditional wheat varieties and cook up just as easily. Toss them with your favorite sauce, add some veggies, and you've got a balanced meal in minutes. Protein powder, on the other hand, is the ultimate pantry staple for anyone looking to boost their protein intake quickly and easily. Add a scoop to smoothies, oatmeal, pancakes, or even baked goods for an instant protein upgrade. There are endless varieties to choose from: whey, plant-based, collagen, so you can find the one that fits your needs and preferences. Both protein pasta and powder are shelf-stable, easy to store, and perfect for busy lifestyles. So which of these protein powerhouses is your go-to? Do you have a favorite way to use them, or maybe a secret recipe you'd love to share? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas and inspiration. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick food hacks, pantry tips, and delicious recipes. With these 8 high-protein staples in your pantry, you'll always be ready to whip up a healthy, satisfying meal, no matter how busy life gets. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!